welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a beginners friendly makeup look. So it is October and it's Halloween time, so if you want to see how I got this simple look, then keep watching. Okay guys, so a little disclaimer, if you don't like videos like this, go ahead and click off. Yes, my nails are a mess. I'm missing nails, but it is what it is. Okay, so I'm going into the Morphe Hit the Lights palette, and I'm just going into these two brown shades. I'm going to place the brown above the crease. Nothing perfect. You don't have to do anything perfect. We're just doing a bloody look, so nothing got to be perfect. I'm packing the light brown all over the lid. So now I'm just going in with my Milani foundation. You can use any foundation for this next step. So I think I'm using the 2-in-1 concealer foundation. So now I'm going in the Murron latex, and I'm just placing that on my nose, as you can see. So the next step, I'm just taking like a cotton pad, and I'm just rolling it up, and I'm placing it on that latex. You can use tissue or cotton balls for this step. So I needed to add more latex. So if you do need to add more latex, you can also do that with no problem. And I also had to extend the tissue because one was shorter than the other. Then you just take that same foundation that you use and you're going to cover that up. And then once you do that step, as you can see, my daughter was in the background playing I Can't Be Great. She won't let mom be great for nothing. But anyway, the next step, what you're going to do is take some blood. I'm using gel blood. You can actually use any type of gel blood. Actually, this is more of a thick consistency. So I'm just placing that in between the tissue and making it look more realistic. This is by the brand Murron, I believe. So right now I'm just pressing that tissue down into my nose to make it look more realistic as possible. Then I'm going in another blood. I don't think I showed it, but it's just another liquid blood. It's a lighter red color. You can use any blood for this next step as well. Or you can use eyeshadow to make your blood on your face if you don't have liquid blood. So I'm just placing that in the middle of my forehead, and then I'm adding some more of that gel blood, and I'm also going to do it underneath the eyes. I'm going to do it underneath the nose as well, and I think that's about it. Okay, now here comes the fun part, the staples. So what I did was put a little latex at the tip of the staples and place them in my nose, going all the way down to the bridge of my nose. You can use a tweezer or hands for this step. I added more blood gel to my nose. I don't know, but for some reason, makeup like this satisfies me. Like, I love shit like this. But anyway, next step is my lips. I just outline my lips with NYX liner. I don't remember the name, just a red liner. This is optional. I just wanted to add a red lipstick to this look. And then I added MAC Ruby Woo. Like I said, optional. You can do lipstick or you don't have to. You can do any color you want, but nothing has to be perfect because the focus is on the nose, okay? So I'm just adding more blood, of course. The more blood, the better. Blend that tissue into the nose to try to make it look seamless as possible. You can also use wax. It's kind of difficult to work with. I'm still learning how to work with that. But if you are pro at that, then go ahead and use that by any means. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Happy October and happy early Halloween, guys. So this is the complete look, and you will see pictures at the end. Bye.